Hello. Look at my panda. We got a you that's bug, you that's bug, you that's something. All the girls want. I'm at the candy store. I'm like a tag door.
Shut up.
Your love, yeah, yeah. Pay. Hey. Yeah. Talk, fool.
Huh?
Talk.
Boy, don't be telling me to talk.
Being
Should I do the most talking out here?
Now, who told you that then? Why?
Exactly.
You did. It's boring.
I talk more than you.
Shut the fuck up. Stop talking now.
I know damn well.
Like I thought, bitch. Like I thought, bitch. You know what, yo? I'm tired of her little smart ass. Seriously. Shut up. I need some crackers. I need some crackers.
Huh?
I need some crackers.
Some crackers?
Mm-hmm.
I don't got no crackers.
You ain't got
I
shit.
ate them all.
This video finna be boring as hell. I'm not finna upload this shit.
Okay.
Shut up and stop talking to me because you being dry.
I'm going to be dry because it's Sunday. Today is the Dry Sunday. That's, be dry.
It's not even Friday, so you sound dumb as hell.
I said Sunday, so shut
Friday.
up. I said Sunday.
You said Friday.
And I came from a fucking game.
You ain't playing no fucking game anyway, so what's the point?
Huh?
You ain't playing no game anyway, so what's the point?
I'm not.
Nope.
Okay.
I swear, you turn on your game, I'm gonna play Fortnite. And I got the game.
Oh my god.
Exactly. Chad. Pop that thing,
right?
right?
Oh yeah, I found it.
Okay.
I'm not playing on it though.
Nope, I'm finna play Fortnite.
I'm not playing on it. You is annoying me all morning, all day, all yesterday.
No, first of all, boo boo, you annoyed yourself. You annoyed yourself.
Oh my god.
Don't do that. I ain't do shit.
You didn't?
No.
No. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, y'all, that this video is boring because somebody don't want to talk to me and because somebody wants to be dry.
Boy, shut up. For real. Can't talk about nobody being dry.
Shut the fuck up. At least.
Yo, tell me the fuck one motherfucking time. And I swear to God.
You gonna do what? What you gonna do?
Fuck you dead in your fucking face.
Do.
I can't.
Exactly. So shut up.
Oh, okay. Well, shut up. Until 2020.
Shut up.
Okay. 2017. I'll shut the fuck up.
I'm not talking to you no more. You're not my best friend no more.
I'm not your best friend, nigga. I'm your girlfriend.
You ain't my best friend.
I ain't your best friend.
You're not my best friend.
Everybody can take that fucking spot, so you might as well come back.
You ain't my best friend.
Yes, I am.
You know little kids can have a little secret security guard.
Huh?
You know, little kids got a little secret security guard. You ain't know that. You been lying.
Yes, I did. I swear.
See what this? Make it rain, rain. Make it rain, rain.
Think about.
Watch this. Watch this, yo.
Huh?
Make it rain, rain. Make it rain, rain. This gotta be the richest baby everywhere.
Huh?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my friends.
That's who is talking to me.
I'm talking to my friends.
Who is your friend? Cause I'm not the friend that you got.
I'm talking to my subscribers.
No, you talking to me.
I'm talking to my subscribers.
Okay, yeah, and I'm one of them, so.
Oh, fuck. I'm talking to my other subscribers that I'm not on the phone with. How about it?
Then it's cold. Okay. It's so cold.
It's cold, like the coldness of the booty hole, and then like the moistureness of the booty hole.
That's nasty. You're supposed to be a booty hole. Like, booty hole my ass.
Guess what, y'all?
Somebody's paying for their booty hole over there.
Guess what, y'all? It's 4 more days until my birthday.
Hey, his birthday not until next month.
Yeah, my
If y'all know.
my birthday. Shut your ass up and stop fucking lying.
You're gonna say yeah too.
Y'all see y'all see how she treats me. She don't even love me. She be so mean to me.
Who don't?
She be so mean.
I'm supposed to say this is covered lies. Not you.
Tell me some damn live. This shit ain't live.
I say, oh my god, shut up. Oh, clean out your damn ears.
It's already clean, boo boo. Clean yours out, how about it?
Mine's already clean too, boo boo.
Don't say boo boo, cause I say you. Y'all see y'all? She a copycat. She still everything.
I am.
She
whatever my baby say, I'll say it too.
No, that's not how it goes.
That's how it go for me.
No, it's not. For me, it's like I only say it. I only like
No.
she can't say nigga because she ain't black. So I don't understand why she keeps saying that.
I'm half black, Puerto Rican, and Dominican. Tell him it's so ugly ass saying that. I ain't gonna tell him again.
She is. I
He's
call
full
her.
white. He's full white. That's what they says.
She is not black. As you can see,
I'm half black. Ow! My ass.
Oh, see, that's not half black. That's fucking white as hell. Okay, I'm being racist as hell. Let me stop.
Swear for you would get slapped.
Girl, you ain't
No
gonna do
racist.
shit. She thinks about supposed to be scared of her. I'm not scared of her.
I need some dick.
You really gonna
That came out of nowhere.
you really gonna say that on my thing?
Yeah.
And I'm not editing that out either. So I'm not editing that out either. So when
Yes, you is.
So when I get
Edit it out. Edit it out.
So when I get demonetized, you don't know why because you said that.
You ain't show up.
So when I get demonetized, you gonna know why.
No, edit it out. Edit
No,
it
I'm not
out.
editing it out. You shouldn't have said.
Edit it out.
I'm not editing shit.
Edit it out.
I'm not editing shit. I'm trying to tell
Yes,
you.
you is. Edit it out. I said so.
Y'all see how she treated me. Y'all saw how she treated me yesterday. She was torturing me. She kept asking me what was wrong. It was not even wrong.
It was something wrong with him because I have my aunt told me to come with her. It ain't my fault.
It is your fault. I mean, I wasn't.
And then once I get back, his voice was all low, talking about some. Like, I said it was wrong, so I took it to his ass. Do you love me? How much you love me?
You ain't asked me how much you love me.
Talk about some. I don't know.
You kept asking me what's wrong. That was wrong.
Huh?
You kept asking me what's wrong. That was what's wrong. Exactly, with your ugly ass.
Alright.
Okay, y'all want to see ugly? Look at this girl. Look at her nose. Look at her head. Her head is like it's shaped. It's shaped.
Boy,
it's shaped.
ugly over here.
It's shaped like a potato.
But this could be way too big for you to handle for me. Edit that out too.
I'm not editing shit. Now look at me. Look at my nose. Look at my eyes. They closed, but look at it. Look at my hair. Look at my fingers. Look at the things. I look better than she do.
He always has something about ugly.
She is ugly. Okay. I'm just playing.
I got something for that ass.
And then she said she gonna fuck me in my booty hole when I'm asleep.
Oh, tell these kids lies.
She said when I go to sleep she gonna arch my back and then she gonna put her vibrator. She said she gonna put her vibrator in my booty.
No, it's the other way around, kids.
No, you see. No.
It's the other way around.
Yo, she got a whole vibrator, bro. I remember one time I was going with her and it was time to go to school. I heard this zzz sound and she was like my vibrator. I'm like, what the fuck?
Wait, what?
What? Vibrator, bro.
But do not fucking post this.
I'm posting this. Oh, man.
And what the fuck you just said? I'm so God.
I'm gonna get fucking demonetized. She got a vibrator. She said she gonna put it in my booty hole, and she said she gonna turn on the vibrator.
Boy, shut up! You talking too much.
See, that's why she told me to be quiet. Cause you gonna do it.
Shut the fuck up. She said she gonna rip my clothes up and then figure me in my booty. This is finna. I'm gonna get demonetized. I'm for real. I'm gonna get demonetized. Why you get all quiet for? You said what? What you get all quiet for? I get all quiet. Yes, you do. So if I shove my dick in your mouth. See, I told y'all. Oh. See, edit that. Nope. I ain't editing shit. I said. Nope. I'm not editing shit. I hope one of these days your mama find my YouTube channel and then she just wants what you be saying to me. I got so sick, bro. She be like, I told y'all she ain't human. She got a dick. Wait, hold on. What the fuck? She got a dick. She just gonna put it deep in my booty. My camera's gonna shut off. My camera's gonna shut off, man. My camera's gonna shut off. What? 3, 2, 1.